The morning is quiet and calm. Soft sunlight comes into the bedroom through the window. The room is warm and peaceful. An alarm clock starts ringing slowly. She opens her eyes and looks at the ceiling. She feels sleepy and relaxed at the same time. She takes a deep breath and turns off the alarm. She sits up in bed and stretches her arms and legs. Her body feels a little tired, but her mind feels calm. She looks outside and sees the blue sky. The day looks beautiful. The light makes the room brighter. This kind of morning makes her feel good. She stands up slowly and walks to the window. She opens the curtains and lets the sunlight in. The fresh morning air comes into the room. She feels ready to start the day. She smiles a little and turns to leave the bedroom. She walks into the bathroom quietly. The floor feels cold under her feet. She turns on the light and looks in the mirror. Her face looks sleepy, but relaxed. She turns on the water and washes her face slowly. The cold water helps her wake up. She feels fresh and more awake now. She brushes her teeth carefully and slowly. She likes to take her time in the morning. She looks at herself in the mirror again. She feels clean and ready. Her day has started well. She dries her face with a soft towel. She turns off the light and leaves the bathroom. She walks into the kitchen and opens the window. The morning air comes inside. The kitchen feels bright and warm. She prepares a simple breakfast. She makes eggs and pours some tea. The smell of food fills the room. She sits down at the table and starts eating slowly. She enjoys her breakfast in silence. This is her favorite part of the day. She drinks her tea and looks outside. People are starting their day. Cars are passing by. She thinks about the day ahead. She feels calm and positive. She finishes her breakfast and cleans the table. She goes back to her room slowly. She opens her closet and looks at her clothes. She wants to feel comfortable today. She chooses simple clothes that she likes. She puts them on carefully and checks herself in the mirror. She feels good and relaxed. She picks up her bag and puts her daily items inside. Her phone, her wallet, and her keys are all there. She checks everything one more time. She takes a deep breath and looks around the room. The room is quiet and clean. Everything is in its place. She turns off the lights and walks to the door. She puts on her shoes slowly. She likes to take her time. She opens the door and steps outside. Fresh air touches her face. The morning feels calm and peaceful. She locks the door and starts walking. A new part of the day begins. She walks down the street at a relaxed pace. The sunlight feels warm and soft. The sky is clear and bright. Trees move gently in the wind. She hears birds singing. The city is slowly waking up. People are walking to work and school. Some people look tired, some look happy. Everyone is starting their day. She enjoys walking in the morning. It helps her feel active and clear-minded. She feels more awake with every step. She looks at the buildings and shops around her. Some places are already open. The streets feel alive. She thinks about her plans for the day. She feels calm and positive. She is ready for what comes next. She takes a deep breath and smiles softly. The day has started well. She continues walking forward.